There are 5 different series of tanks. There is the 100 series, 200 series, 300 series, 400 series, 600 series. The little 100 series tank is strictly in commercial units. The same with from here up. These are strictly in commercial style units. This 200 series tank is what is installed in an RH or residential type unit. Lots of people want to know what these cylinders look like on the inside. So we've taken a 202 steam cylinder. We have 2 of them here. This is what they look like originally. So you have on the top the 2 electrodes, and this is the high water level sensor probe here, and of course the drain connection on the bottom. And we took one of them and we chopped it open. So on the inside, what you can see is there are 2 electrodes. They're here, and they're basically made out of chicken wire, if you will. If this were a 3-phase steam cylinder, it would have either 3 of these electrodes or 6 of them. And you can, if you look very closely down inside here, you can see the high water level probe, which is a little piece of rod, stainless rod sticking down in here. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.